Hi and hello, welcome back. Today is September 4th, which means it is time to decorate because the sooner that we get to decorate for the fall season, the longer we get to appreciate and enjoy its essence. So why don't we get to that today? As you can see, I'm in my attire. I just love this time of year. I simply do. It's also my feeding time. I'm very hungry. A bologna sandwich will satisfy. 2 seconds, let me shove this into my tummy and then we will head upstairs. We will get the tote, we will bring it down. We'll see what we have and I'm so excited to not wait. It looked so beautiful last year in this house. This house looks so good in Christmas and fall. Other seasons, not so much. I don't have that many decorations for other time, but in time I will. So do not worry. Okay, welcome in here. We're in the storage room. When you're 2 people living in a house with this many rooms, you kind of run out of things to do with them sometimes. And you know what? Who's at my garage? Ooh, who's at my garage? My goodness gracious, Sarah. So yeah, it saves me from having to go all the way to the attic or all the way to the basement. So I'm fine with it. Love this wreath. I bought this on sale. This was on clearance at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something. I don't know. They put this bad boy on clearance. This was originally $79.99. I left the tag on. The tag's not even off of it yet. $79.99. I don't know what the hell I bought this for, but I can promise you it wasn't that. I'd have never paid no $79.99 for no wreath. I absolutely never would have. $99.99 in Canada? Oh shoot. I probably could have. That's better. You! Let's go, you! Oh! Oh, I missed this stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Oh, how I missed this decor. You are, yes you are, a little bandana man. Who's that bandana man? Ooh, towels. Our little soap dispenser. Oh, I'm so excited. Put our new tablecloth, get the blueberries out. The blueberries are summer. We're done with that. Oh, I bought this at Spirit last year. I've never seen this movie. I know this dude is like from a movie. Never saw that one. I've seen quite a few scary movies. This one, I think we put it on once. Me and Zach actually tried to like watch it once. And I think we got like 5 minutes in. Please do not hate me. We turned it off. It wasn't the right time, the right mood, the right setting maybe. We'll try it again another time. This is my little clock. Countdown to Halloween. Here's a bottle I made. It's supposed to be like this potion bottle. Oh, the spider fell off of it. It's supposed to be like a potion bottle. There's like stuff in here. It's supposed to make it sparkly. But as you can see from sitting all year, I guess it doesn't really... Oh, there it is. It's all stuck on the side. That's why. You know, I made this with a Cricut, and so we're probably going to make some stuff like this on the channel. Closer to Halloween and stuff, I'm probably going to make some more of these bottles just because I think they're cute. And they do make a nice decor. This is a really big one. I'm not gonna make another really big one. This is a wine bottle. But we might make some of these. It's got some like cotton on it, some fake spiders. And it is cute, some candle wax I dripped on top of it. They are nice little pieces of decoration. So I probably am going to make some more on the channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Let me know. Oh, I'm so excited! I wonder if the neighbors can hear me. Probably. Pumpkin. Yeah. Ooh, I think this is a table runner we got. Oh yes. I forgot we had a fall one. I was gonna crochet like a spiderweb one. Thank God, because I was trying to watch video tutorials. Try watching a crochet tutorial and then come talk to me about being frustrated. Hello? Beware! This witch needs coffee. Fall and pumpkins bring happiness. I actually made this one. This one I made. I know it's a stupid quote, but I didn't know what else to put on it. And this was in my very heavy resin era. More of these bottles. I got this at the Dollar General, and I'm not ashamed. Look at it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a good piece of furniture. This, I have no idea where this came from. Don't ask me where this came from, because I cannot tell you where it came from. I have no idea. But if you know more about old toys, feel free to comment down below. I know nothing about this. I've just had this my entire life. It just showed up one day. It's stained with something. I cleaned it, I washed it, and it's just so freaking old, dude. I don't know what this is. But it's like this Beetlejuice thing. So I'll sometimes like stick it on a shelf or something. I'm not a huge fan of that stuff either, but just that I'm not getting into this debate again either. Everybody, you know, I'm gonna be honest. I don't care for this. I don't care for The Nightmare Before Christmas at all. Don't come for me. It's okay. I'm entitled to my opinion. It doesn't mean that I'm any less of a person. I like Edward Scissorhands and I like Sweetie Todd better. And I'm sorry, and that's just me. And you know what? To each their own, right? Spread and peace and love and unity. I love this one. I only get to see it once a year. I could have it out all year if I wanted, but that takes away from the magic. You know what I mean? Like the awe and getting something out and going, man, have I missed that. If I saw it all the time, I wouldn't miss it as much, right? Who knows? Yeah, it's a little green truck hauling some pumpkins. Got glitter inside. He's a snow globe, little owl driving it, and it lights up at night. I just need to find the switch. Oh, it looks so much better at nighttime. Ah! Are you still watching? Holy moly! Well, good news. We're almost there, almost done. Just a few more touches to go, and then we're going to take a final look at my decor styling. And you're going to rate it down in the comments below on a scale from 1 to 10. Well, that's it. I'm all out of decor. I think it looks nice. I love this time of year. I love decorating for this time of year. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Hope that you're inspired, motivated. Get you up, get you cleaning, get you decorating. Do it anytime. The sooner the better. the sooner, the longer to enjoy. Oh, sorry, new day. Zachary came home at the end of the last clip and I got distracted and completely forgot what I was doing, but make sure that you write down below, rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, how did I style the interior of this house? Is it good? Do you like it? Is it bad? Do you hate it? Let me know down below. Let me know when you like to decorate for the season as well. Are you someone who likes to do it early, or are you someone who likes to wait a little bit more till October? Me, I love this time of year, so I want to enjoy the aesthetic as much as I possibly can. But as always, thank you so much for stopping by, sharing your time here with me today. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate you. You take care, you stay cool, and I will see you in the next one.